There's no surprises about the benefits of windows, especially when it comes to natural light and ventilation.
We do have to make sure that they're installed correctly, and that will prevent any water from entering your home, as well as that keep that window in perfect working order. So let's show you how to do it. If you're a first-time window installer, there's a couple of tools that you're going to need, like a level, window packers, a set of drills, 75mm screws, and some safety gear. First up, we're going to prepare this window opening. Now it's important that we get this sill nice and straight and level. We'll use our packers, working our way along to get it perfect. We're starting down this end with a 5mm packer. Slip that under there. Now the objective here is to get this bubble sitting directly between those two black lines. So if I get another packer and slip it underneath this side, that should start to bring it up. You won't get it right the first go, but a little bit more packing and she'll soon be right in the middle. Now we've got both ends packed. Our level is reading perfect. So we're going to do a little trick here. We're going to spin it 180 degrees. And if it reads the same, we know that we're perfect. That's it. Happy with that. To finish off leveling our sill, we'll place in some more packers, and that will help support the window, and then we can fix them into place. Next up, we're going to plumb one side of our window opening. To do that, I'm going to use the 1200 level. And again, the objective here is to get our bubble sitting perfectly between those black lines, and we'll use our packers to get it bang on. We've just spun our window upside down. Now we can unroll the black flashing, which goes on the outside of the house, and that'll stop any water. Now for the fun part, we get to install our window, and it's going to sit perfectly on our level sill and hard against this reveal that we just plumbed up. We're setting up the inside of our window reveal for 10mm Gyprock. Now, use a 10mm packer, place it on your frame and make sure that that is flush with your timber reveal. Once that's good, we're ready to fix it through where we've packed it. Once you get to the opposite side of the window, use your packers and pack in between the reveal and the stud. Make sure it's nice and firm, and then we'll fix through those packers. Now your window is fully fixed off, the next step is to install one of our plastic packers directly underneath our centre mullion. Now the window is fully installed, it's essential for the compliant waterproofing of windows and doors in this type of installation to have a hardened head flashing fitted, then you're ready for some cladding.
Kyle's just shown you how to install a quality window from Wideline's Ascend range.
The principles are the same when you're installing this window into a timber frame construction or a brick veneer construction. The main thing that will change is the finishes around the outside.